How to view Facebook search history. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is just go onto the search bar over here, which is the magnifying option. Tap on that, and as you tap on that, you'll be able to see all the searches that you have done before. So you can tap on see all, and here you'll be able to see all the search history that you have done on Facebook. Next, what you can do is go back and then tap on your profile, then go to the settings and privacy over here. Then tap on settings and scroll down. And here you can see the option of activity log. Tap on it. And as you tap on that, tap on your activity history. And here you'll be able to see all your Facebook search history as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.